Science Central.
Springtime at Walden Pond, and it's time for Boston University's Richard Premack to go to work. He and his team are comparing today's signs of spring with those observed more than 150 years ago by the pond's most famous resident, writer and philosopher Henry David Thoreau.
The result of our analysis shows that plants are now flowering 1 week earlier than in Thoreau's time.
Writing in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, the researchers explained how they were searching for evidence of climate change in the U.S.
Very quickly, we found out that Thoreau had kept these records in the 1850s, and we realized that this was probably the most outstanding set of records we could find.
Across the country, science centers are taking this idea of watching for signs of spring as a way to see how the climate is changing in their own areas. As citizen scientists, they can contribute their observations to databanks like Project Budburst.
People from throughout the United States can participate in making these kinds of observations if they want. The more we look for this, the more we can see that climate change is already happening.
And what about that ice breaking up at Walden Pond? Premack says that's happening an average of 2 weeks sooner than it did during Thoreau's time. Brad Closa, Science Central News.